Yeah, good. That's nice. Yeah, I will. Yeah, later. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Well, right, right.
Bringing forth the warmth and somberness of goodbyes, Kogonada's 2017 film Columbus develops upon the hiatus that precedes farewells. Columbus, at its core, establishes the importance of moving on. We see Casey, a local guide and aspiring architect. Only thing stopping her from leaving Columbus is her mother, who has a history with substance abuse. And Jin, son of an architect, traveling from Korea to watch over his dad, who, while visiting Columbus, had fallen into a coma. In this scene, we see Jin talking over the
예,
phone in Korean with someone.
들어가십시오.
There are no subtitles, establishing the disconnect between both the characters. Bonding over the cigarette and the architecture of Columbus, they cross the fence between them.
Are you from here?
Yeah. Well, we moved here when I was 4.
Do you like it here?
I do.
Both the characters have a complicated relationship with their parent.
We never talked. He was never interested. Why should I bother him now?
Jin doesn't want his dad to recover to avoid the Korean tradition of displaying sorrow in a dramatic fashion.
So what? You don't want him to get better?
Casey, on the other hand, is willing to carry the burden of her mother. Columbus was writer and director Kogonada's debut feature. Previously known for visual essays on filmmakers such as Ingmar
In me,
Bergman,
she has drowned a young girl.
Richard Linklater,
Like my waking life is her memory.
and Wes Anderson, with inspirations from their works clearly visible in Columbus. However, Kogonada's greatest influence comes from the works of Yasujiro Ozu. Kogonada develops upon absence and its relationship with presence using elements from Ozu such as passageways. Moreover, complicated family relations is something that Ozu dwelled in with all his works. Making sense of these characters' worlds through modernism and the rhythm of everyday life, Kogonada expresses the indubitable importance of art and form in our lives. Columbus's architecture is a major character in the story. Casey, Jin, and the negative space of the landscape is a visually striking composition while serving as a common ground between two characters from two very different backgrounds. Columbus, with bare population and huge buildings, further emphasizes the pointlessness of Casey and Jin's existence in the city and the need for them to move on. Casey gets the needed push to leave the city when she realizes her mother has relapsed into drug abuse. The story culminates with Casey leaving Columbus to pursue architecture and Jin staying to take care of his dad. Columbus is a modern classic embracing the complications of families. It envelops the realization of self importance and the importance of relationships through their absence.